In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Google Forms to my Shopify store. We're going to place your form directly on a page using Shopify's theme editor, so visitors can fill it out without leaving your site. Before we start, have your Google Form link or embed code ready to paste. The embed code is usually the best option because it displays the full form inside your store. First, open the Shopify website and sign into your admin. From the left-hand menu, click Online Store. This is where you control how your storefront looks and which sections appear on your pages. You'll see your current theme at the top. Next, choose Edit Theme or Customize. In most cases, Customize is what you'll want. It opens the theme editor, where you can manage sections visually and see changes in real time. If your theme supports multiple templates, use the page selector at the top to pick the exact page template where you want the form to appear, like a contact page or a dedicated form page. Inside the theme editor, look for the option to add content to that template. Click Add Section on the template. This opens a panel with different section types you can insert. Use the search bar or scroll to find Custom Liquid, then click it to add the section. Custom Liquid is a flexible block that accepts both liquid and plain HTML, making it perfect for embedding a Google form. In the Custom Liquid editor box, paste your Google Forms link or, preferably, the embed code snippet from Google. If you're using the embed code, it typically looks like an iframe. You can adjust the width and height values in that code to make the form fit nicely. A width of 100% helps it adapt to different screen sizes, and increasing the height prevents the form from being cut off. If you're pasting just the link, Shopify may display it as a clickable URL rather than an embedded form, so the iframe embed EA is usually the better experience. After pasting, take a look at the live preview on the right. You should see your form appear immediately. If it looks cramped, adjust the height value in the embed. If it's too narrow, set the width to 100%. When you're satisfied, click Save in the top right to publish your changes. That's it. You've added your Google form to your Shopify store using a custom liquid section. Keep your embed code handy for future pages and remember to test the form on desktop and mobile to ensure everything looks and works smoothly.